Yeah, so now we are going to see the important control, which is share screen. Sharing screen means whatever we are going to see on our mobile or laptop or desktop, the same screen will be seen by our student. That is what is the meaning of sharing a screen. Okay, so I will click on this. It will ask me what you want to share. There is a whiteboard, means actually you can write on the whiteboard. So this is a whiteboard. There are some things which are already there here. I am recording, so this recorder is there. You can see it here. I have created a PowerPoint presentation which I showed you, so that is also present here. If I want to show this presentation, I just have to click that is how I actually presented the this PPT to you earlier. So this is what you can start doing. You even can share a video which I have also shared with you, which I am just now sharing. Now when you are sharing a video, remember, as I've told you, you are sharing the screen with your students. But if you don't use this control, what will happen, you know, like if the video has the sound will not be heard by the student. You will hear the sound because it is played on your device, your mobile or your desktop or your laptop. But that sound will not be shared with the students. Are you getting what I am saying? So that is why sharing the computer sound is also required to be done when you want to share the sound. You are not going to share only picture, but along with the computer sound. So now just suppose that I want to go to that say a video which I have already got loaded on my machine. Either I can show that video, or even I can go to YouTube. So what I did is I went to YouTube. Whatever I wanted to have, whatever I want to show it to the students, I typed it here, and then now I can show the YouTube video also. I would recommend okay, so you got that. So then I just closed it, and now again I will go back to my screen. I will stop the share. I can either stop the share or I can share something new on the screen. So I will again go back to the earlier thing where I was. Okay, so now I want to so after sharing the video, after sharing the PPT, I want to share now whiteboard with the students. It is just like a whiteboard. General control of paint, if you have seen the color you can take, there is a eraser, you can just spotlight whatever you have written. If you just want to highlight that, you can do that, and just type anything. Like this is a text, and you can type anything here, whatever you feel like. So this is how it is. But I would suggest something simple method to do this instead of using this. I will tell you afterwards, but just now I hope you have understood how to share. So I will now stop the share. Once you stop the share, you will again come back to the original position.